Hi everyone, I'm Sanithma. This is my final project Lost and Found Matter. Okay, imagine this, like you are washing out glass and suddenly your water bottle is gone over. You spirit all your assignments. You check everywhere, nothing. Your speaker still nothing. Yeah, we have all been there. The problem is people lose items all the time in campuses and offices, but finding them is slow, confusing, sometimes impossible. So I thought, what if we could automate this? And that's how the idea came about me as Lost and Furniture. When you open the app, this is my interface, like Lost and Furniture. So when you click Get Started, the first step is to sign in. This helps the system work better, and this is how user get connected. Go to just use zero. Just fill this. Name and email are required. And while the details are optional, they can help improve the matching accuracy. This keeps the system organized and make it easier to contact user and when match is found. Once when you can start using the system, like if you lost something, you report it here in report lost items. There are like item, there are options, there are color, brand, value music, and date. And if you want, you can add additional descriptions. Say something like wallet. Spring. And you can just submit the last report. And on the other side, if someone finds an item, they can report it here. It's just do the same. Now here's the smart part. The system is a special machine learning text matching to compare the descriptions and automatically find similar matches. You'll get a notification here like this one image found and it says contact WMT is the email. This saves times, reduces stress, and increases the chances of getting lost item back. The so yeah, in the future, this can even include image recognition, and so users can upload photos instead of typing. So yeah, that's Lost Information, turning a frustrating everyday problem into something actually solvable. Thank you.